is a quick tour of one of these center suites, 28001. The living room, bar. Oh, here. Let's open up the shades for you. So we have a dining room, big table for you. View of Caesar's Palace. Large living room with bar. And this is your view. World Famous Fountains. You got Planet Hollywood, the Paris, Bally's, which is now going to be called the Horseshoe. There is the Sky Wheel that we have behind the Lynx, and the Flamingo and Harris. Going to the bar. We have a Keurig coffee maker, ice bucket, your glasses and bottle openers, selection of different alcohols, and refrigerator. This has 2 bedrooms. So this has the one king-size bed, 2 bathrooms. So you have a jacuzzi tub, bathroom, toilet, little makeup station there. The other bathroom, little chair there. This one has a shower with the steam feature. So the bathroom off the main door and living room. It's the second bedroom. You have a nice chase. 2 queen beds, and these cabinets, the TVs come up. Again, you have a view of the fountains. Now if you have this one right below, you see you have a balcony. There's only a few that have a balcony. And we have the same bathroom. On this side. Okay, and that's your quick tour of 28001 at the Bellagio Hotel and Casino in Las Vegas. Have a wonderful day.